Hi, today I want to show you this small puzzle from Taobao. Okay, so there are two on-off or smart switches, S22, and this one is supposedly it's Google compatible. Let me open it. It looks pretty nice, and you can see here is a Wi-Fi sign, and there are two LED. And this one you can connect a sensor, temperature or humidity sensor, saying 2200 watt. That's a box. It's quite nice. So since it wasn't that expensive, I ordered two just in case one is not working. Okay, let me try to go through the instruction. I think the first thing I have to do is scan the barcode and download the app. The app is called EV Link. Okay, download complete, and I've changed camera angle to show you the app. Open. I have to press red and agree, continue. Oh, I have to register as well. I hate that. For every small thing I have to register. Now I have registered with EV Link. Let me start it. I've already logged in, but at the moment I'm not too sure what I have to do. Then let's try it together. Add and quick pairing mode, and here is saying that I have to press the button for 5 seconds and until the LED blinking. At the moment it's blinking slowly. Let's press the button. See, okay, now it's blinking quickly. Have a look. So we will press next. Okay, I have to enter my network details. Okay, the blue light stopped blinking, and here is showing my device, what the number here. So I assume it's done, and got it. So press. Now it's on. Off. That's great. So I can use this app, but how do I connect it to my Google Home? Okay, now I want to add the adapter to my Google Home. And let's see, open, add, and set up device. Works with Google, select here. The only problem is I couldn't find the EV Link in the list. So I found something on the internet. Someone was saying I have to use the smart V-Link, this one. What do I need to do? So I can log in here. Okay. After I log in from that website, I can see the device here, something with the 4C91 add to room. Living room, next. Done. Okay, now you can see my power plug is here. Okay, I just renamed my power adapter to TV light, and this is the light behind the TV. So I'm going to test it now. Hey Google, turn on the TV light.
Got it. Turning the TV light on.
So you can see it works. Hey Google, turn off the TV light.
Okay, turning off the TV light.
Beautiful. I like it. So you can have a closer look. Actually, I'm surprised the quality is quite good, and especially the feel. If I plug it into something, it's easy to plug in, and also if I plug this to the Sonoff adapter, it's also easy. So it seems the quality is quite good. So I really like it. Luckily, I ordered 2 of them, and I will put another one somewhere else. I can only recommend this one. It works with Google, and apparently what it's saying here, it works with Alexa and all other things. The only thing with the setup was a little bit tricky. You have to know to go to the smart V link. So I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!